Good morning all. This is Nagaraj from Autorounders Hyderabad. We have received this car, a Tata Safari, new launch Tata Safari. So it has come from total customization, interior customization. Then LED bulbs we are changed into fog lamp में projector fog lamps. You can see the look how we are changed it. Even we did completely, totally interior customization. Like if you can see that this will be a black strip on the things on the dashboard. So we are completely changed to according to the customer choice, and with the matching with the door pads. And if you can see the complete see the fitting of the seat covers with the diamond cut we are done it, and same matching with the door pads. See how door pads, it's a composite leather what we did applied over here. And the thing is here, first time we are installed in Tata Safari में Android player which is an DHC Android player with the reverse camera. And I can show you the back side how the stitching is all there. See, you can feel the how stitching, and same like company fitted kind of stitching with the door patch kind of things. And moreover, in the rear we did according to customer choice. He wanted to have a silver on the under bumper, so we did that also. So it's a purely according to a customer choice we did total customization. So that's all. Stay tuned. Autorounders Hyderabad.